Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do a quick master plan on the site over here using these ingredients, these templates. You can see I've got a small lot subdivision, I've got like a shop top housing, and I've got a commercial and a park. And these are just little squares of what could be, and I could open this one up and say, well, what if we had a non-shop top housing, so the retail disappeared and we just got pure residential like that. So it's very easy to make these things, and this is what they look like. And so you can do this per project, or you could do this across all of your projects, doesn't matter. I've also got my template road set up, and these could be agreed with the traffic engineers or the agency that did roads and transport. And then all I do to start master planning is I right click on the site of interest and I create it. And then I start cutting it up like this. And what I'm going to do is put some, I'm going to put some mixed use and commercial to the north and some residential to the south. And so I can do this, and I'm doing this extremely explicitly. There's no magic here. And I can pull this back 10 meters because me and the neighbor are going to share a 20-meter road reserve, or I can use the X key and slice it like this. And then I'm going to choose this road. So to do that, I'm going to use the line key, come in like this, come halfway down and go down. And then I'm going to click Y and select this road. Now this road actually has a cycle path, so it's slightly wider than 10 meters. So I may just trim this back. So I hit the X key, snap to the edge of that cycle path there, and those all trim off. And now what I can do is I can start assigning things here. So I may do the same thing over here. So pull this back 10 and I'll snap to there. And maybe this one gets pulled back 10. So sort of smaller road network. And then let's do some subdivision. So click on this and Y, click on this and Y. Click on these two and do some shop top. So Y, and then this one is just pure residential. There we go. All right, now the only bit we're missing is this little laneway. And I don't have a template that's going to fit. So why don't we make one? So what I'll do is I'll just add a road to my templates. And the road width is 6 and the footpath is 0. So I'm going to set, this is basically a lane. So it's like a 0 meter footpath, so 200, but the road width is going to be 9.4, or it should be 9.6, I guess, to add up to 10. There we go. And if I zoom in, that's what it looks like. And so now what I'll do, that's add it to the templates, and I'll add it like this, and then I'm going to hit Y. There we go. Now it's doing this because it's not fitting correctly. There we go. You can see potentially this doesn't have the right level of frontage, so why don't we pull that back? This is where it gets very fun in Giraffe, is you can start doing any sort of thing. So this guy needs a street front, so maybe we'll do that. So I'll draw another little line here to connect him. Hit Y and pull this template in. Or we could connect him down like this. Preserve this parcel's integrity and capture some extra room for this guy over here. Sorry. Okay, so you can see here, no magic, very convenient, but very human driven, this master plan. It's taken us 7 minutes, odd, maybe 5 minutes. But it's template and human judgment driven. And obviously the metrics from these templates are rolling up into a standard set of analytics, so that when we're presenting this business case, this master plan, all of the numbers, the efficiencies, the heights are all standardized and well understood before we begin. And therefore when we end as well. So that whole process is nicely organized and sequenced.